to bring the book publishing aspect full circle is once the book is written and once it's been edited and it's done and it's ready to go to market, what does that step then look like? How does someone publish their book and how do they get it in the hands of the readers of who they're trying to market it to?
Yeah, sure. Initially, of course, before we do the publishing, it's really important to package the book. It's very important to how to position the book. And of course, in positioning, how you package, the packaging is one of the most important thing. And what exactly works in the packaging is the cover designing, the interior designing, right? The book description as well. What exactly people see when they are going on Amazon to buy your book, right? So these are really important things. So once we have the book cover ready, and of course, for a book cover as well, what I highly recommend is doing an A/B testing, on, there's a platform called Pickfu, right? Where you can do the A/B testing on 2 or 3 different book covers and you can get feedback from people. You can also select who are the type of people you want to get feedback from, maybe people who are reading 4 to 5 non-fiction books every month. So they're the best people to decide which cover is the best, right? And you can also do the A/B testing on book title, book description, author bio, all the different things. So yeah, having an author bio, book description, then book cover designing, the interior designing of the book is going to make sure that you have the right kind of a packaging, right? Your book is going to reflect your brand. So make sure that having the right kind of a packaging so that people will perceive you as well as your book kind of a premium quality or premium product, right? Now, once you have all of these things ready, then people can easily get an ISBN number. It's not a very complicated thing. They can simply get an ISBN number from Bowker, Bowker. So this is where most of the traditional publishing companies as well get their ISBN number from. Once they get the ISBN number, then they have to assign it to their book, right? And nowadays it's extremely simple. If they have to publish the book on Amazon, they can simply go to kdp.amazon.com. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and they can publish the book. It's a kind of very simple process. And if they want a kind of expanded distribution, they can go to a platform called Ingram Spark. Ingram Spark is a platform where it has the world's largest distribution in the for the books publishing, right? So you can publish the book. I think they charge around $49 for Kindle and paperback book. You can publish there. So this is where once you write the book, first of all, it comes the packaging, then assigning an ISBN number, then publishing the book on Amazon. And if you want expanded distribution, you can go for Ingram Spark, which is going to help you get your book in so many different major outlets like Barnes and Nobles, Apple stores, right? Kobo, iNook, and all the different platforms, which is going to help you get more and more sales. So this is what they have to cover in the publishing phase.